Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another day in the vlog, another day in the life. So y'all, again this week I haven't been vlogging. It's been a typical week. Let me sit y'all down. I need to hear him give me a tripod. Oh Lord. I think I'm gonna go on Amazon this weekend to give me a tripod. Dang, y'all can't see me. Hold on. Gotta make a makeshift tripod. That's not tall enough either. Hopefully that's good enough. But anyway, y'all, let me look at the actual camera. But anyway, y'all, like I said, I haven't been vlogging all week long. Today is Friday. I'm actually about to get ready to head out in a few minutes. I'm about to clock out for work, which is why I started vlogging. Haven't been doing much today, just been working all day long. But about to get ready to head out and go to the store and get a few items. And then I'm actually going to my auntie's house. She called earlier and wanted to know if we wanted to come over tonight. Me and my sister and my mom and brother and everything. You know, just to get out the house and just spend time with each other. So she's going to be cooking some burgers tonight. So, of course, y'all know I'm going. So that's what me and Trey about to go in a few minutes. I'm about to actually clock out and then go get him dressed so we can go ahead and roll out and be ahead of this traffic that's about to come. But I just wanted to go ahead and start the vlog for this week. Yeah, I really haven't done much. I know I keep saying it, but I haven't really done much this week. I'm really not doing nothing. Probably not doing nothing this weekend besides going to church. And I know vlogging is not necessarily based on only depicting when I'm going out in places, but I kind of got to get out that mindset because I honestly only like vlogging when I like have stuff to do. Because I know y'all want to just see me just talking to the camera like right now. I can ramble for a good minute, but I'm not going to do that. But that's pretty much what's going on. I do have a doctor's appointment coming up on Monday. So I won't vlog the appointment, but well, actually I probably will vlog the appointment because of the type of doctor appointment it is. It's the appointment where they're testing my glucose to see, you know, if I'm gonna be diabetic. I forget the term that it is when you're pregnant, but they're gonna be testing my glucose levels. So that's gonna be a long appointment. So I probably will vlog a little bit of that so y'all can see that. But other than that, nothing much just going on. Mother's Day is coming up, so hopefully next week I'll have some time to go shopping and look for some stuff. Because if not, I think somebody gonna be getting some money. Which is fine because I'm sure she probably take money over anything anyway. But we shall see. But anyway, I'm about to turn the camera off. I just want to go ahead and start the vlog. I'm about to turn this camera off so I can go ahead and get ready to get up on out of here, so make sure I can get the Walmart and stuff like that. So I'll see y'all in a bit. I'm in the line at Walgreens, y'all. It was kind of a line. It's just one car ahead of me now, so look like she almost done. But it's like 5:45 and I'm still by my house. I haven't even got on the freeway yet, cause I didn't leave the house until probably like 5 o'clock. And then I stopped and got Trey something to eat, some Burger King, and then I just stopped at Brooms. So I must have left the house after 5 because they shouldn't have took 45 minutes. But yeah, so I'm supposed to pick up my prescription. My iron pills is what I'm picking up, and then I'm about to get on this freeway and go to Walmart. I need to get some gas. Oh, that's loud. I need to get some gas more than anything, so I may go to Kroger and get gas. Unless I think that Walmart does have a gas station, I can't remember. But either way, I'm gonna get some gas, and then I should be heading out to my auntie house. But yeah, just give me y'all a little, excuse me. Just give me y'all a little update. I had stopped at Brooms and got me some frozen yogurt, a small cup. I love they frozen yogurt, y'all. It is so darn good. Okay, what's the hold up? Try to turn these fries up. That boy can eat some fries. He can eat some fries and some nuggets. What you doing? He can pretty much eat a full kid's meal. It must only be one person in there because I don't understand why it's taking so long. Oh, y'all, this wig I got on. My sister gave me this wig, and I just threw it on. This is the first time I have been. This is the first time I wore it, or even had it on. Period. I kind of washed it with some conditioner just to get it nice and soft, and then I put some like curly some curling cream on it with some gel, just to get the curls nice and enhanced. It's some soft hair. This wouldn't be no wig I just like wear it somewhere out, like out. Like this would be my throw on wig to run to the store, or like going out to just the family house or whatever. Cause this wig, y'all can see, it got that little band right there, so it's no closure or lace front. So yeah, it's different, but hey, I'm gonna rock it. It's quick and easy to throw on, so I got it on. Oh, thank God, I think she knows. Oh.
Hello, you gonna pick up?
Yes.
What's the date of birth?
12/17. Thank you.
The killer left this with a Batman. Dad, you're becoming quite a celebrity. Why is he writing to you?
Hey y'all, good morning. So it's actually a few days later. I think the last time I picked up the camera was like Friday. Yeah, last time I picked up the camera was like Friday. I vlogged for a little bit for y'all, but I haven't done much since then. But I'm actually today is Monday. So it's a new week. But today is Monday, y'all. I'm actually about to head out here pretty soon. I got like 30 minutes to get out the house. But I have a doctor's appointment today. Y'all trying to get some breakfast. I got a doctor's appointment today. So I am about to get I'm already dressed. I just got dressed. I'm about to get Trey up and get him ready so he can get dressed. And I'm actually gonna drop him off. I'm actually gonna drop him off at his greenhouse today because my appointment is gonna be longer than normal. Cause today I am getting, today they testing my glucose level. Yeah, if y'all have ever had a baby, y'all know how long they can be. So I know Trey is not gonna sit there for that long. So I asked her to watch him for me. So I'm about to go and get him up. Right now I'm making me some breakfast. I need to put some in my stomach. Making me some breakfast. And then I'm about to, like I said, get Trey up, get him dressed, so we can walk out the door. My appointment is at 9:45. So I gotta try to get out of here by 9 o'clock to drop him off or whatever. Oh Lord. But and then my battery blinking. Okay. Yeah, I'm about to put the camera down, finish getting dressed and everything, and then I'll pick up the camera when I get to my doctor's appointment, okay? I think I'm gonna try now.
When you start drinking, I'll
okay.
fine. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm seeing
Oh,
it.
Lord Jesus. I'm trying not to work myself up.
Yeah, if you work yourself up, you're gonna throw up.
Oh, God. Just my mind goes back to the last time.
You might like it this time.
I probably won't like it, but
You know you gotta get it done.
yeah, because I don't want to prick myself. Okay. I know I was doing it too often. I think I was doing it like, I was trying to do it once a week, but I probably was doing it more than that.
Well, I do daily.
Yeah, see?
Every morning.
Yeah. That's what, and it's hard. It's hard because you be wanting to see it go down. Like, oh my God. Okay, I'm almost done. Whew. How many minutes I got?
3.
Okay, good. I'm almost done. I'm trying to go slower, a little slow, so I'm gonna throw it up. Cause I came too far.
You got a little bit of water you can sip on when you're done.
The taste is not that bad like I remember. I think it was my gag reflexes that was last time.
Where did you have your surgery done at?
Oh, hold on.
I'm trying to distract you.
Boy, that swallow right there. Whew.
That one was rough.
I'm getting full. I went to oh God, what's the name of it? Okay. Woo! Almost done.
You take shots?
I don't drink. I
was
don't.
gonna say, treat it like a shot.
Oh.
You're
The
all
problem is I'm getting full and I don't want to throw up because I feel it like right up in there.
What if you stand up?
Okay, I'm gonna
Does that
try.
help you? I know. I feel like it gets stuck right here.
I probably shouldn't have been drinking that water like that. Okay, just a little bit now. Probably like 2 more swallows.
Oh, somebody! Oh, he needs some
Nope,
milk.
I'm not gonna throw up. I refuse. I'm almost done. Whew. This is torture. Oh God.
Imagine pricking your finger.
That's what got me through last time. I was like, I'm not supposed to do that. Oh, I got a little bit left. Oh, come on. Oh God. Okay. I feel like if I drink, I'm gonna throw up. Oof.
You're overthinking it. Try not to think about it.
I'm
Just
trying
put it in
not
your
to.
mouth and swallow. It's because you look at it first. Think of it as your water.
Trying to make myself not
I'm
throw
giving
up.
you more time.
Oh. No.
Take that with you.
Okay. Okay.
You're all throwing it.
Oh God, y'all. I made it. It was rough, but I did it. Now I gotta sit here and wait for a couple hours so they can drop my blood. Y'all, I'm trying to get this stuff down. I'm getting a little nervous. I hope it stay down. It has to stay down. It has to. Just waiting for the doctor and them, I guess. y'all, I am headed down to the lab. I think I gotta get on the elevator. I'm trying to remember what I did last time. Oh, this mask is hot. But gotta go to the lab so I can start drawing my blood work. Put this mask back on. Yeah, I'm breathing hard because I drank that drink and it made me like super full. So, like my belly is full. Lobby. Yes, so heading to the front of the hospital now. Oh God. Yeah, I feel like puking. Oh. Oh gosh. Ugh. So I gotta wait till 11:12, and then that's when they'll start doing the blood drawing. And it's currently 10:35. Okay. Guess I'm about to watch some YouTube. Oh yeah, I'm finally done. I don't know what's going on with this wig. But I'm done for the day with my appointment. It's 11:32. Ooh, there's some air up in here. It's hot. Is your spirit? Okay. Let me crank this air. Oh yeah. Okay. I had to walk all the way back to my car. But I thought it was gonna take longer for them to do my blood draw, to block my drug. I thought it was gonna take longer for them to draw my blood, but it actually wasn't that long. I think when I got to the lab, I told y'all the time, it was like 10:35 or something, and she was like, come back at 11:12. I just sat in the lobby, but so I really didn't even have to wait that much longer, I guess, because I waited some inside the actual doctor's office. And that's kind of what they said last time. They was gonna have me do things up there so I wouldn't be doing too much waiting at the lab. So it actually worked out good. So total time was almost 2 hours because my appointment was at 9:45 and it's 11:33. So almost 2 hours. I thought it was gonna be a little longer than that, but it's still longer than my normal appointment. Y'all, it's 78 degrees outside and it's hot. Like, what the heck? It don't even feel like 78. It feels more like 88. Whew, I'm hot though. Maybe this wig I got on. But anyway, so they gave me all of my let me cover this up. Just turn my information. But they gave me they pretty much gave me all of my doctor's appointments. They pretty much gave me all of my doctor's appointments. I probably can't see that. All of my doctor's appointments from here on out. They did this last time. They gave me all my doctor's appointments in advance because once I get into my 3rd trimester, she'll start seeing me more frequently. So I got my dates right here. So I'm about to go and pick up Trey. I actually need to stop at Walmart on the way. And return this. And other receipt. Yeah, return this and then get one thing out of there. And then I'll be getting Trey. But Walmart is on the way, so anyway, I'm about to go. I'm actually hungry, so I may or may not get something to eat. Yeah, I may actually stop at Target because I do need to do my I do need to get a baby registry going. I don't know if I'm gonna have a baby shower, to be honest. My baby shower I had with Trey was a lot. For one, we planned the baby. I planned the baby shower. I should say I planned the baby shower with no help. I mean, my cousin, she helped me like with the decorations, but with the planning and everything, it was pretty much me. And it kind of got a little stressful. But with Trey baby shower, it was planned, and literally the weekend before I was supposed to have the baby shower, so like that Sunday before the baby shower, which would have been the next Saturday, my doctor called me. She was like, you got preeclampsia, so we're gonna go ahead and take the baby. I was like, what? That's when I was 36 weeks at the time, going on 37 weeks, and I had just had a doctor's appointment that following week before she called me. I think like that Thursday or something, I had an appointment, and she was like, you know, because they screen you to make sure, you know, you're not going towards the preeclampsia, and I ended up developing preeclampsia at the end of my pregnancy. So she was like, you 36 weeks going on 37 weeks, we're gonna go ahead and take the baby. You pretty much full term, and we're gonna just take the baby so your preeclampsia don't get out of hand. So I ended up getting induced that Tuesday, and Trey came that Wednesday, and that Saturday, which would have been August, I want to say August 9th or August 8th or something like that. Well, let's see, Wednesday was the 5th, 6th, 7th, yeah, 8th, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the 9th, okay, August 9th, I was right, August 9th. That Saturday would have been Trey's baby shower, but ended up having Trey, so I had to push it back till 6 weeks after he was born, which was the 19th of September, and we ended up having a baby shower, and he was there at his own baby shower. So, but I already got instructions from my doctor based on, you know, what she plans on doing with this birth. So if we do have a baby shower, we can kind of gauge it a little bit better, and yeah, it won't be as close like it was with Trey. I probably won't be like 36 weeks or something like that, but I don't know, it's up in the air as far as a baby shower goes. If I do have a baby shower, it won't be as extravagant as Trey's was, because, you know, I kind of went all out with Trey, of course, because it's my first baby. So I kind of went all out with Trey baby shower, rented a venue, got catered food and all this other stuff. But if I do, like I said, if I do have a baby shower this time, it'll probably be more low-key around, you know, at home, my house or somebody else's house or whatever, and it'll probably be just family and a few friends, but nothing too major. But anyway, y'all, I am about to cut this camera off because I've been talking almost 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm trying to do better without talking to the camera for so long. So let me cut this camera off. I'm driving now. I'm about to go run to Walmart and go get Trey. Yeah, so we're back at the house. When I went to go get Trey, he had just fell asleep, so he's in the bed now, still asleep. So as y'all saw, I got me some Chick-fil-A. I'm about to sit down, chill, and eat. Probably get a little bit of editing done, and then get some stuff done like folding up these darn clothes. Don't judge me, y'all, okay? Do not judge me, because I know half of y'all probably got some clothes sitting in the basket right now as y'all watching this vlog, okay? So I'm about to fold these clothes up and then do whatever else I need to do around the house. But y'all, I may not pick the camera up today. May not pick it up no more today, but we'll see. This weekend is Mother's Day, so we plan on doing something at, again, my sister's house, I know, on Saturday. So y'all stay tuned for that. But I'm about to eat my food before it get too cold. Yeah, I'll check y'all later. Hey y'all, so it's a little bit later on in the evening, and somebody is up. Oh, Trey, you gonna say hey? Trey, say hey. He trying to speak, but y'all, after I turned the camera off, I ate my food. And I watched like one vlog on YouTube. And then I got sleepy. So I actually went there and took a nap. I probably slept for about an hour. And then Trey woke up. And then I got him together. He just got through well, actually, I put him in his playpen for like 30 minutes and laid in the bed, but I didn't go back to sleep. So I got up and fed him. So he just ate. So now I'm in the kitchen. About to wash these dishes that's in the sink, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cook dinner. I think tonight what I'm gonna do is do some chicken. These are I think these chicken thighs. Yeah, these are chicken thighs. So make some chicken thighs tonight. I'm still up in the air how I'm gonna cook them. But I'm gonna cook those with some green beans and one other side. So yeah, that's what I'm doing too. That's what I'm about to do now. And try to get this kitchen in order.